Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how we can apply a blur effect to your texts on Figma. For example, if you'd like to blur words like we did in this example here, for instance, on Figma or in your Figma design, guys, it is very simple and you can do this without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started and use this text box here for demonstration purposes in my Figma design. So start by left clicking into your text box. After that, this customization panel will open up to the right. So here guys, scroll down till you get to the effects section here. Click under the plus icon to apply an effect. And after that, customize it. You may, for example, switch to a layer blur by selecting it here in the top. Switch from drop shadow, which is usually the default effect, to layer blur, just like that. And as you can see, it's already slightly blurred. Now we can, of course, intensify or strengthen the blurring effect by selecting here a custom number or entering custom number. Or you use the more intuitive way, guys, simply left click into the left edge of that box here. Hold your left mouse until you see that double-headed arrow. And after that, simply move your mouse either to the left to weaken the blurring intensity or to the right to strengthen it. And as you can see now, it's really, really blurred. That's how the world looks like when I don't wear any glasses or lenses. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you apply the blurring effect to texts or text layers here on Figma. You can customize it, for example, intensify the blurring effect. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.